Alright, quick vid on ZIL. Talked about this in 2 live streams already, but I want to do a quick video of my overall bullish outlook on ZIL, why I have such high confidence in this trade, and I want somebody to prove me wrong. So, anybody out there who likes to say that I'm wrong or doesn't like me or talk shit about me on Twitter, you can now prove me wrong in front of everybody. This is your chance to do that. I know it's hard to understand, words and things, but come on, show me what you got. So we had this long bearish trendline resistance, right? Which broke and became a trendline support and has been working exceptionally well as such since then. I mean, is that not like a textbook example of a trendline resistance breaking, right? Got tested with the wick, finally broke after this loop. And now it's been sitting as a very strong trendline support. That is propping us up. These horizontal supports, every time we hit one on the way down, we get a ton of support. Boom, 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 right? You guys seeing that? This whole region, this whole region, this whole region. We're talking about really strong horizontal supports here. So each of those are holding us up. If you have a fundamental reason why ZIL might not be a great entry right now, that's fine. Share it with me. I would love to learn about it. But you cannot tell me that from a technical perspective, this is not an incredibly bullish scenario. Very strong support from the trendline support, coupled with strong support from the horizontal supports. On top of that, we have what I spotted in the earlier video, the live stream we did today, where if you take a look at the RSI, you'll notice we never really get oversold with this guy. So if you look back when we were on this really big bullish run, right, where we had gone up, 70% in that short period, when that started, we weren't even oversold. The last time we were oversold down at these levels of 20 was when we were super bearish. You guys seeing that? See this big bear trend? That bear trend bottoms out. That's the last time the RSI is oversold. Now check out this support on the RSI, and you'll see in a bearish trend, that RSI support was each local bottom. You see that? Every time we hit that, well, some of them we actually kept trending down. Right there we did. This was a local bottom. That one was a local bottom. This one was a local bottom. All except that one anomaly, right? Since we've transitioned after this original move, we've big wave 1, 2, wave 3, what have you. Since that's happened, we've never gone oversold again. The RSI's never dipped below 30, really. It did for a split second here, which of course was a local bottom, and it went into the high 20s. So when we were bearish, we would drop into oversold territory constantly. Now that we're bullish, we haven't once really dipped into oversold territory. We just bottomed out on the RSI again. So that's one of the reasons why I would expect a potential local bottom. That by itself, is that worth putting money into this trade? Probably not, right? But couple that with the fact that I've also identified particularly strong support mechanisms here with the horizontal supports and the trendline support that's coming down with that green line. All that together gives us this region right here where there's a statistically high probability of success in this trade. It is a statistical improbability that I will get stopped out of this trade before it breaches the EMAs that are right around the 22 cent, 23 cent area. If you guys can prove me wrong, I invite you to do it. Teach me something I don't know. If you can't, stop bitching about how ZIL is bearish, because that motherfucker is bullish.